Good afternoon, YouTube. Surprise, surprise. Alright, YouTube, the most important upgrade. Together with the suspension, maybe you can guess already what it is. Oh, nice. Finally, my 2.5 rear wheel. But there is more. Now I finally have matching set front and back. Lightweight. Alright, YouTube. Look at my new nice wheel set. I have this from KKE Racing. Directly shipped from China. And it's actually very lightweight. And these will help me through the Romaniacs. And I also, for comparison, I have Jarno his wheel set. Both the rear end and this one an XL rim. And this one is from KKE Racing. Let me show you the differences. Alright, we have the XL rim versus the KKE rim. And the thing I see is that this one, the XL rim is a little bit thicker. But beside that, I think they're basically the same. The KKE Racing does have nice RVS spokes. And Jarno chose for full black ones on his XL rim. That isn't finished yet, but I think this is a very nice upgrade for the CFMOTO. And what else we have in the box is a rubber thingy that goes over your spokes and a hub for the 450 empty and a bearing. And what we are going to install is mousses. These mousses are from Rebel Tyres, and this is, we are not going to ride on air, we are going to ride on foam actually, for the guys that don't know what it is. It's very hard and thick foam rubber. It's nice and squishy. Awesome. For the thumbnail. Special mousse Romaniacs setup for Mr. JB. Teach me how this works. And the first scratches are always made by the mechanic. Okay, my job is to insert the mousse in this extreme medium Rebel front tire, and it's very stiff, is what I'm looking for. Jarno is like, I hate this job, do it yourself, man. Alrighty, this is how to apply gel to your mousses without gloves. And Jarno did this with gloves, but he used the less one. Gross. JB playing with gel. The mousse is fully covered with gel now. And now I need to insert it in the tire. Noise. Now that my hands are dirty, I'm going to do the other one as well. Alright. Sticky stuff. My mousses are getting stronger. What a stuff. Gross. Nice and gross. Als dit de manier is, dan is dit de manier. Awesome! Matching wheels front and back. Alright YouTube, this is my new front wheel with Rebel Xplorer 01 at the front with medium mousses. And I now have a matching set from KKE Racing. And then we have the rear with the Rebel Xplorer 02, medium compound and medium mousses, and a 2.5 rear. So now I have extra mega grip. If my bike is not here, because I had to bring these. And you have these tires, this wheel set. You have this wheel set for $700, including a hub and everything that is really nice and tight and RVS spoked. I think it's quite nice. So the next step is to get my bike on another day. And now we are continuing with the next. I will show it to you. A nice surprise. Noise. Surprise. This is our ride to Romaniacs. Nice for the next video. But look at the nice set. KKE wheels. Awesome. But first, that unit needs to get off the bridge so we can work on my bike that's shining in the sun. Really love these graphics. Okay.
Dat zal waarschijnlijk ook wel. Dus voor het eerst even een beetje aan werk houden. Kijk jongens, dat gaat goed.
Please a little bit more further away. So that I have useful footage. My new KKE wheels. And these nice Moto-Master disc.
Ja, als je minder koersbedrijf hebt, dan reageert hij iets sneller.
Ja.
Really awesome. You can you torque to spec? Torque to Yarno, 45 Yarno meters. This is the mechanic check before going to Romaniacs. Awesome.
Hij zit ook in lijn met het andere tandwiel, dus het zit goed.
Nice new small rear. Awesome! I mean noise. Okay, now we continue with the front wheel. And I don't look for a second. And it's off already. Awesome. Wat zeg je erom? Alright, Romaniacs ready. 0.9 bar in the tires. That will be quite the drama riding home.
Midget bike.
Squeaky. Feels like riding with a flat tire. Okay YouTube, what we did, everything awesomeness. New wheel set, mousses, new tires, new everything. You saw the video if you are still watching this. You saw the video, everything new. The sponsors are on the skid plate. I really like my new wheel set. Okay, finish the video here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Something to say, Rick?
Mooi.
Mooi. Special for Rick. We're gonna miss him.